So, good morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So, now we have to start off with the question second for exercise 8.2, I think, right? Yes, it's 8.2. So, question number 2 was given as a homework. How many have done it? I would expect people who have done it to tell me the answer for the first one. Basically, what you have to do out here is solve for this and check what you are getting. If you are getting 1, you will term it sine 90 and whatever is in the option. First, tell me what are we getting out here after solving this? What are we getting? Root 3 by 2 you will be getting first, and then we'll term this at sine 60. Clear? I hope people are done it this way. Is there any doubt in question number 2's part 1? Merely substitute the values. 1 plus 1 by 3, 2 by root 3, and over you'll have 4 root 3. 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4 over here, 2 over here root 3. Is it clear? What is the answer for the second one now? 1 minus tan square 45, 1 plus tan square 45. What is the value that you will be getting out here? Leave this for now. Just tell me after substituting the values, what are we getting out here? Very good. 1 minus 1 in the numerator, you will be getting 0. Okay? So 0 is what you will be terming this as. Clear? Question number 3 now. What? This value will be a when 0. Sine 0 0, sine 0 0 over here. Both values will be same. 30 not applicable. This will become 60. This will become 30. 45 not applicable. 60 not applicable. So we'll go with 0 degree. Is it clear? Any doubt? People who are done with this, please move on to question number 4. And one more thing I'd like to tell. Now, back to the recording. Now, the fourth one. 2 tan 30, 1 minus tan square 30. What is the value that you are getting out here? I just need the value first. Like here, root 3 by 2, what is the value? How much? I can't hear it properly. Root 3 by 2 only you are getting. We'll go with this then. I hope this is clear to everyone. We'll be getting option C, root 3 you'll be getting, not 1 by root 3 you'll be getting. You'll not be getting, because over here we got root 3 by 2 and these two are entirely different numericals. How will you get sine 60 again? You'll be getting 1 by root 3, right? Are you all getting 1 by root 3 or root 3? Option C is the correct option. Only root 3, so tan 60 will be your answer. Is there any doubts in anybody's mind? Yes or no, confirm? People who are done with this, will try out question number 3. How many are done with question number 3? I think 2 and 3 were given as a homework, right? No issues, you try out question number 3 now. Over here, one hint I can give you. You will use elimination method to solve this. More hint you require, then over here I can write it for you. Tan A plus B equals to, this root 3 can be written as tan 60, yes or no? Tell me. Therefore, when we compare angles, we get a plus b equals to 60. This will be termed as equation 1. Similarly, you will getting equation 2. Now, over here, many of the students, they will make mistakes, and what they will do out here is that they will cut this thing off and still they'll get the same answer. You are not supposed to cut this thing off. Is it clear? You'll be writing when we compare angles, then we get a plus b equals to 60. Do not cut it, because we have already studied that tan A is not equals to tan into A. Had this been equal, then you would have cut this. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please complete the second equation and tell me the final answer. I would wait for some time. 1 minute. 3-4 of you have already answered, so I will proceed with the solution. Your second equation will be looking like this, yes or no? And use elimination. I don't think it will be a big ask for you all. A will be 45 and B will be 15. We start copying it from here. This is our first equation. This is the second one. This is the first one. When you add up this thing, B goes off. You are getting 2A equals to 90, A equals to 45. Substitute A in any of the given equations, you will be getting the value for B as 15. Is there any doubts in anybody's mind regarding this numerical? Please confirm now.
No, sir.
I'll wait for exactly 1 more minute so that students can copy it down.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Question number 4 now. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Is this true or false? Now, how will you justify it? Take an example. Let A be 30 and B be 60. Calculate LHS. LHS will become how much? 1. RHS will be which is how much? 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. I don't think this is same by any means. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Make sure copy it down. Second question says that the value for the sine theta is increasing with the increases with theta increase. Yes, it increases. Okay, from 0 to 90 we always find that is increasing. It starts with 0 and ends at how much? 1. Yes or no? This is 0.7 ke kareeb, this is 0.8 and this is 1. So you see that it's constantly increasing with the increase in theta. Is it clear? We'll have to write this thing. Clear everyone? Now if you have understood this thing clearly, tell me what will you tell for the third one. The value for cos theta is increases as theta increases. Is it true or false?
It is false.
It is false because the table is exactly opposite, right? Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which is close to 0.8. Then cos 45 is 1 by root 2, close to 0.7. You see it's constantly decreasing, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can you write these values and justify your answer, yes or no? Please write it down. Write all the values and not write it. First write the second one and then move on to the third one. And people who are done with second and third, they will tell me the answer for fourth and fifth after 2 minutes because you will take at least 2 minutes to copy down 2 and 3. I'm pausing the video. Yeah,
Sir, fourth one is false.
fourth one is false. Reason being, it's same only at,
Sir, 45 degrees.
is it clear? It's only same at this value. Between 0 to 90, of course. And the fifth one. True or false?
Sir, true.
How much? True or false?
Sir, true. True.
True. Because reason what you give. You can go from tan also. You can write it like this also. Clear? Sine 0 by 0, 1 by 0, undefined. Is it clear? Please write this reason. Did people understand the fifth question? Yes or no? Make sure fourth and fifth is copied properly. I'm pausing the video. Take your time and copy it. Now, I'd like to tell you one thing that this exercise, complementary angles, has been removed from the syllabus. Is it clear? Exercise 8.3 has been removed from the syllabus. I am giving you some other questions. Just give me one moment. We'll start off with exercise 8.4. Clear? Now, before starting off with exercise 8.4, did you all copy these formulas? Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1, yes or no? Sec squared theta minus tan squared theta is 1, and cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta is equals to 1. These are the three most important formulas that will be requiring trigonometry. I would expect you all to copy this down. I had given these formulas at the starting of the chapter also, but still people who haven't copied it down, please copy it down. Copied? We are going to start off with exercise 8.4 of your NCRT, page number 193. Can we start off?
Yes, sir.
Important formulas. Express the trigonometric ratios sine, sec and tan in terms of cot. How will you do this? Sine needs to be converted in form of cot. These are some very important questions. Very important. You can be directly asked these things in MCQs directly. Tan can be easily written in form of cot. How? Can anybody tell me how can tan be easily written in form of cot? 1 by cot. And sine, now we'll have to use bit of formulas out here. See, we know this third one, yes or no? So cosec square A is equals to 1 minus cot square A, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore cosec A will be equals to root over 1 plus cot square A, yes or no? So what will be sine A? Sine A can be written as 1 by root over 1 minus cot square A, yes or no? So has sine been expressed in form of cot, yes or no? Is there any query out here? Can you similarly convert sec and tan also in form of cot? Just a moment, today's assignment. Just a moment, just a moment. Please copy down this thing, and this one will be your homework. Assignment will be question number 1, question number 2, plus Google form. Assignment dated 26th August. Is it clear? I am pausing the video.